Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best belt sanders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Wen 7.5 amp variable speed handheld portable belt sander, a budget-friendly option that packs a punch with its 7.5 amp motor and variable speed control. This sander offers a belt speed range of 620 to 1200 feet per minute, making it adaptable for a variety of sanding tasks, from light finishing to aggressive material removal. Its compact design and lightweight body, at just 6.4 pounds, ensure minimal user fatigue even during extended use. Plus, the inclusion of a quick-release belt tension lever and a detachable dust bag makes it convenient for quick setup and cleanup. While the design is ergonomic and portable, the build quality is on the lighter side, which might not suit heavy-duty professional use. Performance-wise, it handles standard woodworking projects well, but the dust collection system could be more efficient as fine particles tend to escape. However, for its price point, the Wen HB321V offers excellent value, especially for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. Its lock-on power switch is a nice touch for continuous operation without strain. If you're looking for versatility and affordability, this sander is worth considering. Just beware that it might lack the durability for intensive daily workloads. Coming in at number 4 is the Craftsman Electric 7-amp belt sander. This corded belt sander is designed with an angled belt layout, allowing you to sand closer to adjoining surfaces, a feature particularly useful for tight corners and edges. With a belt speed of up to 800 feet per minute, it excels at fast material removal, whether you're tackling wood, metal, or other materials. The tool-free belt release mechanism simplifies grit changes, and the onboard dust bag is a thoughtful addition for maintaining a cleaner workspace. The build quality feels robust, with an ergonomic, over-molded 3-position handle that enhances comfort during prolonged use. It's slightly heavier at 7.69 pounds, but the additional weight helps stabilize the tool during operation. Performance-wise, the sander is reliable for medium-duty projects, though it may lack the finesse needed for intricate finishing work. Its dust collection system is decent but not flawless, as some users report residual particles. At $51.99, it strikes a balance between price and performance, making it a great pick for homeowners and weekend warriors tackling medium-sized sanding jobs. However, professionals might find its top-end speed limiting for more demanding tasks. At number 3, we have the Skill 6-amp 3x18-inch belt sander with pressure control, a tool that prioritizes user-friendly technology. What sets this model apart is its pressure control technology, which alerts you if you're applying too much pressure, preventing wear on the motor and ensuring consistent results. This sander features a 6-amp motor and auto-track belt alignment to keep the sanding belt centered so you can focus on precision. Its microfiltration system does a commendable job of capturing fine dust particles, and it's vacuum-compatible for even better dust management. In terms of design, it's compact and lightweight at just 5.51 pounds, making it highly maneuverable. The flush-edge sanding capability is a standout for working on edges and corners. However, its 3x18-inch belt size means it's better suited for smaller-scale projects, not ideal for sanding large surfaces quickly. At $59.98, this sander offers a lot of bang for your buck, especially for DIYers and casual users. The main drawback is its somewhat lower power compared to larger models, which might struggle with tougher materials. Nevertheless, its innovative features and ease of use make it a solid choice for beginners and intermediate users. Taking the number 2 spot is the Wen 6321 7-amp corded belt sander, the most affordable option on this list at just $39.99. Don't let the low price tag fool you. This sander delivers with its 7-amp motor, capable of rotating the belt at over 13 feet per second. It's lightweight at 6.2 pounds, so you can use it for extended periods without fatigue. The lock-in safety feature allows for continuous operation, and the included dust bag helps minimize cleanup. Plus, it's backed by Wen's 2-year warranty, offering peace of mind for new buyers. While the compact design is a plus, the sander's build quality is more utilitarian, and it may not withstand heavy-duty use. Performance is where this tool shines for its price, handling most sanding tasks effectively, though it struggles a bit with finer finishes. Dust collection is adequate but not stellar, so you may need additional cleanup for larger jobs. Overall, the WEN 6321 is perfect for budget-conscious users who need a reliable, no-frills tool for occasional use. It's an excellent entry-level sander that offers solid value without breaking the bank. Finally, at number 1, we have the WEN Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander with Cast Iron Base, 6502T. This premium option is a 2-in-1 powerhouse, featuring both a 4x36 belt and a 6 disc. The belt tilts from 0 to 90 degrees, providing flexibility for a variety of tasks, whether you're working on flat surfaces or bevels. Its 4.3 amp motor delivers a solid 3,600 RPM, making it a versatile tool for both professional and hobbyist use. The cast iron base ensures stability, reducing vibrations for smoother operation. Build quality is exceptional, with a sturdy and durable design that feels built to last. The tension release lever makes sandpaper changes quick and hassle-free. While this sander is heavier at 37.8 pounds, its stationary design means portability isn't a priority. Performance-wise, it handles everything from light sanding to heavy-duty material removal with ease. At $114.74, it's the most expensive option on this list, but the combination of power, stability, and versatility makes it worth the investment. This sander is ideal for professionals and serious woodworkers who need a reliable, high-performing tool for their workshop. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.